This woman on the news, man, she had a newborn child that had a serious condition, and because of the age of the HMO or whatever, they wouldn't pay for this experimental procedure that would save this child's life. And this woman went everywhere, man. I think she said she went to 40, 50 doctors, man, and everybody said no. And when she got to the point where she said, I think my newborn child is going to die, she went one more place, and she got a yes. And it saved that child's life. I say that to say, man, you could keep knocking on doors. You could keep getting rejected. You could keep getting no's. You keep getting the door slammed in your face. But if you keep on knocking, if you go up the hall and knock on the other door, eventually somebody gonna answer and say yes. Somebody gonna open that door and let you in and change your life. So don't stop.